Hello friends, in this video I will show how to connect YouTube with other apps and watch more easily. So open youtube.com, then here click on settings. Now here click on connected apps. Here you will see a list of applications you can connect your YouTube account like Activision ID, connect accounts and watch approved events and videos from a chance to win in-game reward. So just click on connect. You need to sign in your account, and if you not have your account, so create account using different platform. Similar, you can connect another service like Epic Games. Then you need to log in that application which you want to connect here. So thanks for watching guys. Please share, like and subscribe.